found. You know when people don't wear suits, 7 people, the form panel.
Okay, thank you. Now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We get Kool-Aid, aka Frank Donga for Inside Studio. Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV right now. Make you begin to call us. Any question where you wait there now? Want ask Frank Donga, make him answer, tweet him or make him call us, make him answer you the question.
You never know. You feel sure saying go give you a work tip.
Work tip.
When go help you very well.
Interview tip. If you go interview, because he don't go interview where.
So he get experience for interview. Interview going.
So all those things, if he call now, ask.
Let's charge the phone, because if you don't charge the call now and the phone will run down.
No, not be this one they use. It's not be this one they use. This one, it don't. This one.
No, the one they use now cordless and wireless.
No, this is the telephone of our forefather. So this one is pure, it's strong, it's like Tokumbo.
Okay.
Strong is.
And so you could hear the
this
person
one is
clear,
very strong. You will sing, even if you are calling from village, this is the kind we used to call. That time you can reach abroad, because you see the wire everywhere. All the small phone they use now is only internet they can do. Oh. But this one very strong.
So this one only a can do attitude.
Some people will come from village now. You understand?
Giwa from Norway. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Nadu and Kachiba.
How you doing?
I know right, so I greet you.
Giwa, which question you want to ask Frank Donga?
No, the question, Nadu. You see this Frank Donga. The guy, this one too much, honestly.
We didn't hear you. Giwa?
Yeah, this one too much. I mean, the first time I watched in interview for Internet TV, I just very confused. I said, which kind man is this? Which kind of speaker is this one? So I don't know what form is video on Internet TV. Okay. I know that in every interview, I mean, never even laugh at all.
Yes.
I mean, just keep
just
answer you like
Anyway, Giwa, thank you very much.
Thank you, Giwa. They will watch you too. As you are watching me, they will watch you too. Thank you.
Now, person say, how has life been without job, Frank?
It's not easy.
Mohammed Farouk.
Even Mohammed doesn't have job, so you understand.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Samali from Ojodu.
Samali from Ojodu. Ask Frank Donga the question you want to ask him.
What do you say make I ask him?
Bye. Thank you very much. Didi say, Frank Donga, I want to ask you, who be your mentor?
Who be your mentor? Oh.
Who be your mentor? If for job seeking or your life, who be your mentor?
Oh.
It's God that mentors.
God. No, your own mentor.
No, your personal and private mentor.
Your personal and private mentor.
PPM.
PP.
Who be your mentor?
We are still trying to get one.
You are still trying to get one. Now, it's not easy. Another question I want to ask you now. All these jobs where you don't look for, you never get one. Now, okay, today na Wednesday. For example, I want to ask you, because I just remember this question now. People, what will be your idea about this thing where people they talk turn up, party? What will be your own
as they don't the plan Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
So what will be your idea about this turn up thing where people always turn up for party?
Turn up.
Your own,
what are they turning?
Up now.
It's not your fault, because those of us now that are professional people, we don't turn anything up. You don't need to turn it up. Leave it there. Okay. It's there now. It's just leave it there. There's no. You don't need to turn it up.
Okay.
You just go to your house.
Okay.
Go to your house. Then, if it's provision, you can drink. You cannot understand. Those
and you don't pay provision on me. I don't make milk, sugar.
Ernest, good evening.
Kathy.
Ernest, good evening.
Yes, good evening, my sister. This Frank Douglas don't make me. I don't laugh for ground.
Which question you want to ask him?
The question I want to ask him say, when he goes saying they tell him saying no get paper. I no go to copy him. So another person has hit they will come because the way they do something first they make me laugh.
My brother, I don't say
make it answer you. If he end call now, he go answer you. So why you not photo? That time where VI you call who you? Why you not photocopy him?
We try, but the machine hook.
The machine, okay, paper yam inside the
machine.
No, it's not yam because they are not selling yam around the place.
No, now the paper yam inside the machine. Now same in Bodro. The paper yam inside, not paper yam.
It's photocopy machine. It's not yam machine.
Hey, now you are not getting me. The paper yam inside the photocopy machine. So I do paper yam inside.
Okay.
So
hello, good evening from Open State.
Hello.
Good evening. How you doing, my brother?
I'm fine now.
Oh yeah, ask Frank Donga a question. You want to ask him?
I just want to say, Frank, you wear like this?
Sir, you say?
I just want to ask you, you wear like this?
Sorry.
Is it whether you will?
No, your phone is not. Maybe the credits. You don't have credits. You say?
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. You are hearing
okay,
me.
okay.
I just ask you wear like this?
Same to you. We thank God.
Okay, I just make I agree to now.
I will greet you too.
Shehu, thank you very much. Okay, for you now, go back small chicken egg, not break, and not be only Frank Donga there for inside. Okay, from UK, good evening. From United Kingdom, good evening.
Yes.
United Kingdom, like the Greek country.
How United Kingdom?
Karen, how is things?
Hey, we there.
Now for UK, no creaking Frank Pepper, may you walk there.
Now, our vessel, Kule, now you go explain how to get the paper for us.
Karen.
Yes.
I beg, in case when Frank want look for a visa, he get any information to pass to us so that when he go fit work for him.
You know every. Now if you answer the question well now.
Oh yeah, which question you want ask him?
The question I want to ask him be say, which school he go? Because he actually says, do you and him attended the same school because they behave the same way. So maybe him they higher for school. Maybe him they higher than you for class, but attended the same school. So no, not tell us the school where una go.
Okay, this person did. All right, thank you. Oh yeah.
There is no problem. You know that we as we are trying to write the same exam, but they didn't take him because he didn't meet up. So he's only made the call for the admission of school. So that time, that's how they didn't call him. But as we wrote the exam.
But so Nedu no come yours day inside your school again.
It's only exam that he's tried to.
But you will talk say Nedu no pass the exam. Now only you pass him.
They don't take him. No, it's the same thing.
We don't come back past much chicken break. Not be only Frank Donga there inside studio. Ashley there for inside studio. Stephanie Biko there for inside studio. Want to come back? Stephanie go say that for inside studio. We'll follow her talk small before we face Kool-Aid or who the reserve. Will they come back?
If you don't just enjoy the video, they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.